Ladies and gentlemen, Damas Y Caballeros, I hope you guys are having an amazing day so far, or maybe if you're not, maybe if you're having a good day, a bad day, or just a little bit in between, just know it's about to get better because today I have for you guys another pomade review. So, today's product in question is Suavecito's oil-based pomade. So right off the bat, you can already tell this is significantly different from the other ones I've reviewed. This is very different. It's in a tin container. You can already tell by the detailing and everything. Sorry, that's upside down. By the detailing and everything, it is significantly different. So, real quick, before I get too much into this, I'm trying to push out some more content onto my channel that you guys would like to see. So if you guys have any recommendations at all, just comment down below on things you guys would like to see, okay? So, anyways, getting back onto this. So right off the bat, once you open it, I don't know what it is, man. Like, it's somewhat similar to the signature Suavecito scent, but like, I like this one better. I don't know if it's stronger or if it's just maybe different. Maybe I could be wrong. Maybe it's the exact same thing. I don't know. I just love the smell of it. This is oil-based. You guys can see that. The difference between oil and water-based is that oil is the more traditional based one. So, with water-based, you put it into your hair, you comb it, and then you wash it out when you're done. That's not the case with oil-based. You have to shampoo your hair. I didn't know this, so I'd suggest if you want to use an oil-based pomade, really look into what you're doing. Because I thought it was just a traditional, I thought it was the same thing as a water-based pomade, but I was wrong. I ended up going to school with a huge spike going off my forehead. So could you picture slick back hair with just a big spike? Yeah, that was terrible. And the reason is, you really have to take your time and emulsify this product properly. And what I mean when I say emulsify is when you get it in your hands and you start rubbing it together. Because if you don't, it'll just stay solid and then you'll just get a huge glob of it just on the front of your head. Which is why I also advise you start from the back. Unless you're more used to the product, then it's completely up to you. It's just your preference. So, fun fact, this is the very first Suavecito product I've ever tried. And, I guess I'll just keep talking as I go. So, I'm going to start with the small fingerful. It's a little bit tougher because it's not water-based. I know for this one I'm probably going to need like a significant amount. So you guys can see, about a fingerful. Put it on my hand. And, it's very sticky. But, emulsify it till it, not till it's warm, but till I'd say a little bit hotter, because then it just goes smoother. See? So, I bet you guys are probably thinking, why am I doing so many Suavecito pomade reviews? And if you guys haven't seen my previous video, I talked about this in one of my previous videos. I was in FBLA, the Future Business Leaders of America. And I was doing a sales presentation, and in it I was selling Suavecito hair pomades. Now, I've used a lot of them a couple of times, but I feel like the ultimate test is really just, because if you have short hair, any product will probably do. But since my hair's gotten a bit longer, I decided to put them to the test, and because I just happen to have a lot of Suavecito products. So really make sure to get that in there. So you guys can already see, because of its oiliness, it's kind of just already keeping these hairs exactly how they are, and it's giving some weight to it. Now do keep in mind, with some oil-based pomades, you really got to be careful, because if you get it on your face, it can cause you to break out. And I definitely advise you washing the product out before you go to bed, because if you just lay down on your pillow, you're gonna get that oil-based all over the place. And the more you go throughout your night, you're just gonna be smearing that all over your pillow, and your face is on your pillow. So yeah, definitely wash that product out with shampoo. I feel like that's the best way. I've heard people using dish soap, and I would definitely advise against that, because dish soap is very bad for your hair. So now that it's all in there, it's time to get to the combing process. So It's not as smooth as the pomade, it's a little tougher, but it makes sense because the product itself is a little bit more tougher. So you guys can already see it's got a shine to it. It's weighing down the curls in the back. So again, probably gonna give this one an hour or two and we'll see what the results are. So anyways, I'll be right back. Okay guys, whoops, I messed that one up. Okay, so it has been about 2 hours, and I know chances are you guys are looking at this and you're thinking it looks exactly the same, and that is correct. This is an oil-based pomade, and some people see this as a pro or a con, but what I like about oil-based pomades is it never dries, meaning you can use your comb all throughout the day. You can restyle it over and over again without the worries of it sticking in one place. At most, it would probably just tighten up a bit, but even then you could just break that apart with your fingers. So, you know, I really like this product. I haven't tried any other oil-based pomades, and you know, like I said, I want your guys' input. I want to know what you guys want to see on my channel, because I want to make sure I'm putting out content that you guys are genuinely enjoying. So really comment down below anything you guys would like to see, and hit that little bell icon to be notified of any time I upload any new videos. Anyways, that's enough talking about the product. It is now time to rate this. So, it had a nice texture, had an amazing smell. I love the design. You know, I can't really think of too much because I feel like I don't want to give this too high of a rating just in case, you know, later down the line I review another oil-based pomade. I never know if it could be better, and then, you know, maybe I rated this too high and now I'm just pushing out more products to you guys that I don't personally think are super high on the list. So just because I like this product, I like the design of it, I like the whole feel, the whole texture, and I like the fact that you can restyle your hair over and over. I definitely feel like this is a very versatile pomade, and if you're a person out there that likes pomades, I would definitely recommend you try this one out for yourself if you want to look into more oil-based pomades. So anyways, I would give this a 7 out of 10. 7 out of 10. It's a good product, and I don't want to rate it too high than what I actually like think it is, because like I said, I might try out some other pomades and I don't want to have like newer products be way better and I have to rate them lower than what they actually are. So 7 out of 10. You know, if you guys like pomades, you guys like seeing these type of videos, definitely let me know in the comment section down below. Anyways, I'm Joe J Jr. I hope you guys have an amazing day, because you guys are all amazing people. Please be sure to check out my other videos. Subscribe over here. Sorry I paused a bit. And as always, what do I say? Oh wait, that's right.